Did you know that 99% of people fail this science quiz? Think you're smarter than most? Let's find out. Let's go. But first, subscribe to my channel to find more fun challenges. A device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called its battery. What is the main chemical name of table salt? The correct answer is sodium chloride. What is the study of life called? The correct answer is biology. What is the solid state of water called? The correct answer is ice. The fluid part of blood is known as? It's plasma. What type of energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? The correct answer is kinetic energy. In a very low temperature, which from the following will freeze last? The correct answer is mercury. What is the name of NASA's most famous space telescope? It's Hubble telescope. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? It's carbon dioxide. The planet that moves around the sun at the highest speed is? It's Mercury. What organ in the human body is primarily responsible for pumping blood? Heart. The pharmaceutical industry is called? It's drug industry. The symbol for the unit of potential difference is? One microampere is equal to? What is it called to simulate the weather for a short period of time? The correct answer is forecasting. The SI unit of work is? It's C-joule. The energy obtained from the sun is called? The correct answer is a solar energy. The creation of images and designs on a computer is called? Graphics. A clock with hands is called? Analog clock. What is the boiling point of water at sea level in Celsius? 100 degree. We get dash by burning fossil fuel. The correct answer is energy. Device used to store charges? The correct answer is capacitor. Constant in Ohm's law is? The correct answer is resistance. Which is a semiconductor? It's silicon. Isotopes of chlorine are? Frequency of ultrasound is? In which form are signals sent in optical fiber? It's light. Name of first rocket sent in space by Pakistan is? Correct answer is Rehbar 1. In p-type semiconductors, most of the current is due to? Holes. It is obtained after crushing sugarcane. Juice. The name of the first artificial satellite of Pakistan is Bhadra 1. The instrument to measure potential difference is called? The correct answer is voltmeter. The charge on beta rays is negative. A device which increases or decreases the voltage is called? Its transformer. The method of production of electricity which does not produce pollution is called? Hydroelectric. Which is the largest gland of the human body? Its liver. The gas obtained by biomass is biogas. The device which completes or breaks the circuit is called? Its switch. There are isotopes dash of chlorine. 2. Dash is a semiconductor. It's silicon. The industry linked with the preparation of medicine is called dash industry. Pharmaceutical. Russia launched its first artificial satellite in 1957. Remainings of used nuclear fuel are called radioactive waste. By the alcoholic fermentation of biomass dash is obtained ethanol. Multimeter is measuring device. The ratio of doping of germanium or silicon atoms is 1 in 10 million. Mass number of helium is 4. Radioactive are those elements which have atomic number more than 82. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watts. The total production capacity of Pakistan's first nuclear power plant is? How many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.